it again? Okay. Let's say it nice and slow. 8 maids milking.
I made some milking.
Very good. Do you like the 12 Days of Christmas?
Christmas.
Yeah? Can you sing Frosty the Snowman? No? It's a really good song. Frosty. Can you sing Frosty the Snowman?
Oh, Frosty Snowman. Frosty's a snowman.
I don't know if you learned that one.
Ask Nini again what she sang at school today.
What did you sing at school today?
Mommy, look at the picture.
You say no at school today? Yeah. No.
Mommy, go look at the picture.